Hi there, I'm Tony DeBonis with Starline Windows. A question we often get asked is, how do you properly remove your horizontal slider and track system in order to clean the exterior of a glass or to clean the track? I'd like to quickly demonstrate how to do so for you. First thing you want to do is unlock your window, slide it completely open, grab the bottom of the vent, lift up and out, making sure you're clear of the burglar stops here on top. First thing I like to do is put your slider upside down and then check the rollers. Make sure they're clean and free of debris. Give them a good roll. If they're dirty, give them a wipe down. I'm going to put the wheels back on the bottom here. Then what you want to do is take out your track system. Now the track is just a snap-in track, and all you need is a flathead screwdriver or a chisel. Start on one end of the window and just get in there, pry it up, and once you got it started, you can pull it right out. And when you're doing the routine maintenance, what we always recommend is get any household cleaner, disinfectant spray. Give it a good spray just to kill any bacteria or mold that may have started growing. Give it a nice wipe. It's nice and clean. And you got this out, and give your track a wipe, your trough here. And to put this back in, all you do is you put the exterior part in first. It slips under a little groove. And then you can basically snap it back in with your thumbs, like that. And if it's a little bit too hard for you, just grab a rubber mallet or a little block of 2x4 and you can tap it in. You want to put your vent back in. Again, make sure you're free of the burglar stops. Put your top in first, then your bottom. Close your slider, lock it. And that's how you properly remove and reinstall your slider vent and your track system. For any more how-to demonstrations, frequently asked questions, or product knowledge, please visit or subscribe to our Starline Windows YouTube channel, or visit or contact us through our website at starlinewindows.com.